times parents ask us when the medications should be prescribed to children with autism spectrum disorder. So it's not a straightforward answer. Actually, when we look at a child with ASD and how to approach that child and the family, it has to be a very holistic approach. So when we think about a child with ASD and what they have to go through, I think we should think about a number of things, including different interventions like speech and language therapy, occupational therapy, behavioral interventions, school interventions, support to the family, peer social groups. And when all those interventions does not work and child still is struggling with behavioral issues or some other things, then we think about medication.